Hello children, welcome to English class. In today's class, we will learn the lesson under the sea. So you have seen many animals like dog, cat, cow, goat, sheep, bull, horse, donkey, lion, tiger, elephant, etc. So these are all land animals. These live on land. And some animals like dolphin, jellyfish, whale, octopus, seahorse, starfish, turtle, crab, seal, shark. These are all water animals, aquatic animals. These live in water. So here in page number 53 in your textbook at page number 53 one action song is given about the sea. All of you repeat after me and while singing do the actions which are given in the brackets. Here is the sea action song. Here is the sea, the way we see. Wave your hands from side to side like moving water. Here is the boat, the sailing boat. Cup your hands like a boat and rock. And here is me and here is me. Point to yourself. All of the fishes. Wriggle your palm and fingers like a fish. All of the fishes. So here action is wriggle your palm and fingers like a fish. Down below, point downwards. Wriggle their tails, wrinkle your fingers. And away they go. Wrinkle your fingers and take them behind you. Now all of you listen this song.
Here is the sea, the way we see. Here is a boat, and here is me, and little fishes way down below wiggle their tails and away they go. Here is the sea, the wavy sea. Here is a boat, and here is me, and little fishes way down below wriggle their tails and away they go.
Now let us start the lesson under the sea, page number 54. Many wonderful creatures live in the sea. Some are large but others are small. Some colorful and some with varied patterns. Some live deep in the ocean. Let's see what some of these are. So in the sea we can see many wonderful, beautiful variety of creatures. Some are large and big also. and some are small, they are in different sizes. See here in this video, these are all the creatures which are in sea. Second paragraph, seahorses are a small type of fish. They are 5 centimeters long. Angelfish are colorful with different patterns. The young angelfish usually has a different pattern from the adult fish. They live among coral reefs. So here seahorses are a small creature, small type of fishes. So they are 5 centimeters long. So their length is 5 centimeter, and their face is look like a horse. See here in this picture, the seahorses faces looks like a horse, so that's why they are called as sea horses. So see here in this picture, these are small fishes and its face looks like a horse. That's why these are called as sea horses. These are a small fishes. So these are angel fish. These are in different color and different types. The young angel fish is different from the adult angel fish. So angel fish live in coral reefs. A coral reef means it's a underwater ecosystem built from stony corals. These are the large underwater structures. ಹವಳದ ಬಂಡೆ, ಹವಳದ ದಿಬ್ಬ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಇವನ್ನ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. So these live in the coral reefs. Next, see in page number 55. Seals look very clumsy on land, but they move very fast in water and are good swimmers. A layer of fat called blubber keeps the seals warm. Sea anemones are brightly colored, have wavy tentacles, and look like plants. Their mouth is in the middle of their bodies. So here these are seals. See here, it's called a blubber. It keeps the seals warm. And these seals are look clumsy. Clumsy means they are not beautiful creatures. they looks ugly, and they walk also not straight. They will not move straight. They move upwardly. They looks ugly. And this blubber, it's a fat content. It keeps the seal warm. See here, these are the seals. So they move upwardly. They looks ugly also, and they will not move straight. And they move fast in water. They are the good swimmers. So they move fast in water. See here, these are sea anemones. These are in brightly in color. They are dark in color, and they have wavy means moving tentacles. Tentacles means long thin arms of sea creatures. Sea anemones look like plants, and their mouth is in the middle of their bodies. So at the center of their bodies, and they look like plants. So sea anemones mouth is in the middle of their body. See here, it is their mouth. So it is at the center of their body. Then next is sharks. Sharks swim in the open sea. They have huge strong jaws with several rows of teeth. If they lose a tooth, another one grows quickly. Sharks are very fierce creatures. See here children, this is shark. Sharks swim in the open sea. They have big strong jaws with many rows of teeth. Their teeth are very sharp. If they lose a tooth, another one grows quickly. If it loses a tooth, another one grows very fast in the replacement of that tooth. Sharks are very fierce creatures. Fierce means very angry. They always ready to attack. So this is the lesson under the sea. You read this lesson and write the new words and learn also. Write and learn the new words and read this lesson.